Hey everybody! This is my first video lecture for Writing 1320. This will be all about our peer review assignment. I had my dog here a moment ago, but I had the microphone off and then he ran away, so no dog today. Anyway, first video lecture for our new normal where we live all of our lives at home all the time. Okay, so this is our final week of working on our research paper. This is the week of March 30th. And this week, your only main thing to do is to complete the peer review assignment. You should have an email from me in your UCA email inbox. If you don't see one, you need to get in touch with me as soon as possible. I sent them out last week. In the to part of the email, it should have your group members, and then I sent a reminder this morning. You should follow the instructions on the assignment, which are in the email and on the assignment on Google Classroom, and communicate with your group. If you have any issues getting in touch with each other or contacting each other or just figuring out how to make it work, you can contact me. I will try and help facilitate. Some good peer review guidelines for you all. Make sure that you communicate with your group. Read their drafts closely. Give them detailed comments and suggestions and be specific. Okay, it's really important that you don't be really vague with your comments. Don't say, this is good and I like this, because that's not very helpful. Do answer their questions. Do use constructive criticism. It's okay to say, I think you need to explain this a little bit more, or I noticed that you didn't cite this example very clearly. Those are constructive things to say that will help them make their paper better. Don't be mean. If you wouldn't want someone to say it to you, don't say it to them. Don't wait until the last minute, and don't forget to participate. It is a grade. We have to move forward even in these very strange times. For your submission, you will submit your feedback to your classmates to me. So you can see on the right-hand side here, I have a screenshot of what it'll look like and the turn-in button. So for example, if Layla, John, and Joan are in a group, Layla will send feedback to John using the worksheet. Then she'll send feedback to Joan using the worksheet on their individual papers, and then she'll submit all of that feedback to me on Google Classroom. It's due on Wednesday, April 1st, 11:59 p.m. Okay, that's the deadline. I will accept late submissions up until this Friday, April 3rd, but that will be for a late grade. Finally, your final draft of your research paper is due Monday, April 6th. My next lecture that will be up on Wednesday will give some pointers on editing the final draft. Know that I cannot read drafts via email. I have too many students to read drafts like that. But if you want to schedule an appointment with me where we look at your paper together, we can do a Google Meet, or we can request a phone call. Just get in touch and we'll schedule something. You've got this. You guys are good writers. You can email me with questions. You can also text me. I put a phone number up on Google Classroom if that's an easier way to contact me. And then look, I gave you guys some gold stars here. I believe in you. So good luck this week. Don't be a stranger. Let me know if you need help. All right, happy Monday.